honey, wake up. That's for me. He's a snack.
Explain what you mean.
No, I'm saying.
No, we were trying to find the Dragon Ball.
Head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang. On that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head ass, hot pocket head ass. What's up? It's your boy Funny Mike, man, and this is a crazy prank. By the title, y'all probably like, oh no, what is Mike in there? What are they doing? Like, oh, none of that. This is just an epic prank we're gonna play on Jalea, you hear me?
It's about to be lit.
It's gonna be lit, man. Okay, boom, we're gonna be in the bed or whatever, doing nothing.
Yeah.
So do not look at us like that, yeah.
Look,
just
y'all can see my hands
for y'all entertainment, you hear me? But you know, Jalea, we finna make her lose her mind. Y'all tune in, man. This prank is gonna be on Jalea, Travis, Jigga JD. But man, y'all, it's gonna be lit. Y'all just tune in.
No homo. I'm just saying, bro. You gotta say no homo before you do it, bro. I'm keeping it real.
Wait, do what?
No, I'm just saying, before you know we get in bed together.
Oh no!
It ain't like this ain't the first time. Oh.
Hey, but what?
Wait, I'm just playing.
Alright, y'all, hit that like button right now. You hear me? Prank wars that started. Y'all tune in, man. It's gonna be lit. Gang. Alright, you guys, Jalea should be on her way.
Yeah.
Back from the store.
I got you there, robe on, man.
He looks sexy.
Say, bro, this don't feel right, son. Like real tight. It's too thin.
Slap it.
Man, son, quit playing with me.
Hey, she on her way back. She had texted me here. But look, check this out, man. I'm finna go hide under the cover. He gonna be hiding under the cover. So, man, this finna be crazy. This finna be weird.
If she stabbed me, son, I'm telling you, son, you better get your girl.
Stab you. Wait, hold up, dog. This feel weird anyway. Like,
saying, son.
Cletus, Hercules.
Man, look.
Let's go.
Let me turn this TV off, you guys.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Man, move your legs, man. Move your legs.
Put your booty in there.
Man, what?
Man, no. You gotta put your booty in there. Oh, stop.
Dun. Sorry.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
They ain't had a water.
Doing this thing, doing my thing.
What
Gang. Oh!
the f?
Oh! Give me this,
It's
boy.
not what it seems. It's not what it seems.
Hey, Jalea, no,
It's not what it seems.
It's not what it seems,
It's
bro.
not what it seems. I promise.
Explain what you mean. It's
No,
not what it
I'm
seems.
saying it's not what it seems.
Mike, man, I told
I
you,
was trying to
man.
help him find the last. Babe,
No, we were trying to find the Dragon Ball.
Babe, no, I was trying to find the last Dragon Ball.
You serious?
You gotta understand our situation,
Babe,
bro.
babe,
It got cold outside.
Hey, it's not what it seems.
What is you doing?
Babe,
Open your robe. Let me
I'm
see.
not finna open my robe. I'm just
You
saying.
ain't got no clothes
It's-
on.
Hey, look,
come
Jalea,
on, don't do
Jalea,
that.
It was cold outside. I had to come in here.
Hey, he said he wanted me, so I gave it to him, babe. I'm sorry.
What?
So you like
Say,
that?
bro, you
Man,
down
you
now?
asked me
Man,
for
what
it.
the fuck you want?
That's what I'm saying. Y'all
No,
got
man, no.
Hell
no, man.
Travis, it's
Oh,
not
man, you down, man. You doing too much.
He wanted me, so I gave it to him.
Hey, look. Hey, look. Don't play around.
Hey, shut up, everybody. Let me explain this, man.
No, man.
Fruitcake, man. Hold up. Can I explain?
What?
Like, okay, I was in here.
It ain't no way to
It ain't no
explain
explain,
it.
bro. You dead. That's where it's gonna be.
Back in bed. I don't know about you, like you want to be a princess.
Nah, man, y'all just talk on here, man.
Hey,
Hell no,
money in the
man.
bed.
Hey, he
Oh,
wanted
y'all some love.
Travis, you tripping for no reason, right?
What's going on?
Hey,
Y'all got money in the bed. You got
I'm saying,
money.
what's the problem? You wanted to be my little stripper bitch.
No.
You.
I've been
Come
doing
on,
it.
son.
Hey,
Y'all,
look,
you been
whatever
doing
works,
it.
twerk.
Right,
What's
just
up?
keep it real with her, bro.
I told her whatever
This
works,
what we got
twerk.
going on. I love
So
you.
why you hating?
I don't want you no more. I'm with him.
So move around.
This been going on.
Oh,
This
hell
been
no.
going on.
Hey, hold up.
I'm
He
gonna
been my
do
little.
it though.
Hey,
I'm
look.
doing it.
I'm keeping your
What you
robe.
know? What you mean?
Oh no, you're not
What
doing
you mean? Hold up.
I like
Don't
it.
touch him.
I
Don't
like
touch
it.
him. Don't touch him.
Now look,
I can't believe it.
besides your robe, you know, dumb.
Yo, you ain't getting it. Honey, wake up. That's for me. He's a snack.
So you is a
Oh, snack.
Don't.
I thought I was a
You
fruit
ain't got no
cup.
clothes
Hey,
on.
come on, bro. What you doing, dog? Real talk. Don't
Say
do that.
You serious?
Don't do. You gonna let her touch me?
Hey,
So
look,
you
bro.
been
You gonna let her
Hey,
touch
she
me?
gotta go,
Gang,
son,
gang.
bro.
You gotta
You
go.
gotta go. Like,
Hey,
real
look, I
talk.
ain't gonna
I
lie.
gotta go. No, if anybody gotta go, it's
listen,
Mooney.
listen,
It's take my
listen,
robe
listen.
off.
Oh, man, don't touch
Don't
me,
touch
man.
him.
You
Don't
serious?
ever touch me.
He for me.
That's for
You, if you want to be for us,
Who you
you
think
can
you
be
is?
for us. But
You is gay. What you
Hey,
mean
Mike,
for
get
us?
your
Ain't
girl,
no
son.
bisexual.
Get your
Gay.
girl, son. Get your
So
girl,
you
man.
gay.
Calm down, Candy
Like
Monster.
real talk,
Calm down,
son.
Candy
Candy
Monster.
Monster.
Calm down,
Man,
Candy
you better
Monster.
get. Hey, look, get your girl,
What y'all was
son.
doing
We wasn't doing nothing. We was just trying to do something.
Me and this.
I was trying to find the last back Dragon Ball, okay?
iPad right here.
Come on.
Boy, she got some things
That's
on
for you
here.
now.
That ain't for him.
Hey,
That's
hey,
for
listen.
y'all really gay.
Say, no, we not.
You is gay.
We fun.
So you
we
ain't-
fun boys.
So you
That's
mud
what you
dog.
call it. We fun. We
So
mud
why
dog.
you
hating?
Come on,
What?
let's get back under
Who is
here.
mud dog?
Why is you hating?
You really gay?
Hey, I'm not.
You playing them type of
Hey,
games?
look, so why you
Stop
playing
playing
with that man like that, bro?
Don't play with
All
me like
these
that.
years
So
and now
what's
you
that
wanna.
diamond?
Hey,
So
no,
what's
all
that
these
diamond?
years that you
I don't
wanna.
want to see it. I don't want to see that.
Hey, look, bro,
Get
all
out
these
there.
years you wanna
know
play
what
with
it
him.
is. You know what? You know what it is.
Yeah, you gay. You been gay. I
Never,
been do
never,
that. I been
never,
do that.
never,
Hey, hold
never.
this, hold this. You play too many games. Come on, you gotta go.
Come on, let's get back
You gotta
up
go.
here.
So y'all,
You gotta
No.
go.
y'all
what you
mud
doing?
diving, you really ain't got no clothes.
Say, let me go.
You really
Let
ain't
me.
got
Let me
no-
go.
ready.
Let me
I'm
go.
ready.
Come
Better
on.
be a
I'm
prank.
ready.
Let's get back on here. What a prank.
It better be.
Ain't nobody got no prank
It's
going
not
on.
funny. That's y'all
What you-
really.
Hey, this your
Don't
side
touch
of the
him.
bed, huh?
Don't
Oh
touch
This
yeah,
is
your
our
side.
side of the bed.
Ooh, I ain't lying.
Oh,
Come
y'all
on,
is
thug.
so gay. Y'all.
What?
serious?
Hey, stop touching him.
I'm not touching
move,
him.
Jaleel.
Don't
Move,
touch
man.
him.
Come put
Move.
some clothes on.
You
Y'all
ain't
is
some
nothing.
gay.
clothes
You
on.
ain't nothing but trash.
Oh, you
You
gay.
ain't nothing
Trash.
but
She need to
trash.
go somewhere because she need to get
What?
taken out because
What?
she is trash.
Ah, get off me.
You serious?
Hey, look.
I ain't gonna lie.
Check,
Hey,
bro.
I'm
It's
gonna keep it
not
real.
even
Her
funny,
cat
real
must be
talk.
trash if you don't really want it, son.
I don't want it. That's why I got your fun box.
Fun.
I got it.
Oh, Lord.
So how long y'all been?
Don't
Say,
worry
look,
about
man,
all
well,
that.
hold
It's
on.
just-
You in our business
We
now.
put it in your
You
face.
heard
Where
me?
you thought I was going? I was up the street to the store.
We put it in your face, honey.
You wanted it that bad?
HONEY.
Get out that main personal life. Like, what
Come
are you
on,
doing,
come on.
bro?
You wanna be my
Why
little
you got
stripper,
money on the
bitch?
pit?
Hold on. What you doing?
Don't put some
What you doing? Got
Got
clothes
some
on.
food, dog.
Stop it.
Say, Jaleel,
Why?
you just
Stop
you need
it.
to go somewhere, bro.
You gotta
Like,
go.
real talk. You
We
doing
gotta
too
finish
much.
our last
Come on,
lesson.
man. Move around,
I
son.
knew it.
Move around. Move around.
I knew it, bro.
What? You know what?
I knew
Don't
it.
touch
Every
me.
time you try to act like
There you go.
Oh,
There
give
you
me
go.
that money.
Miley stripper, bitch. That's
I
my
don't
stripper,
know,
bitch.
Move, man. Move.
That's my
Like,
stripper,
real
bitch.
talk.
Yeah. Pop it, Miley
Come on.
stripper, bitch. That's my stripper, bitch.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jaleel.
Man, get off this bed.
Leah, look, Lily.
Oh
Don't touch
my
me.
God, you
Lily, don't touch me.
serious?
Go ahead and show your little cartwheel. Ooh, put it up, y'all. Put it up, y'all.
Yay. I'm doing
Uh-uh.
tricks on
Uh-uh.
this bed. I'm doing tricks
You
on
the
this.
girl,
Hey, who?
and I'm the girl.
Hey,
so
man.
that make us girly girls. Yes, indeed. Woo! 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 Where that money is?
I always knew that y'all was funny, but I
Strip
didn't know
up,
y'all
bitch. Strip up, bitch. I like
take off
that.
my robe.
Don't touch him.
Hey,
Don't
why
touch
you playing
him.
with me, bro?
Don't
Why
touch
you
him.
playing with me?
Hold on,
son?
where that
Wait, you
control
got
at?
a hole in your boxer?
Hold this, cause you play too many games.
You think that
Got him. Got him.
You can dismiss yourself.
Dismiss myself.
You can pack up
I'm
and
not
leave.
even nowhere.
This
You
house
can
is
go stay with Rooney.
Hey,
You
look,
can stay
hold
with
up. I
Rooney.
stay by myself.
this
You ain't
house
gotta
is
worry
for
about
me
me.
and Rooney.
Stop
Yeah.
playing with
Don't
me,
touch
dog.
me.
Stop
Don't
playing
touch me, cause I'll put
You
one on you.
serious? How you
I'll
made
put
a
one
child
put
be
one on
gay?
you.
I'll put one on you.
Real
It don't
talk.
matter.
Yeah,
It don't
you ain't
matter.
just started being gay.
My
You
daughter's
been
still
gay.
gonna have a
Oh,
Anaconda. Duh.
no. Mama.
a mama.
She got one mama.
She got a mommy and a mommy.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
You heard me?
And a sister.
You done for.
Who done for?
Where your friends? They been knew you gay. They probably
Who?
gay too. Y'all all gay.
Oh,
Who?
Y'all be having
you
Hey,
so
look,
up.
stop playing with that man
You
like
so
that.
up.
You disrespecting that man,
You
Y'all
so
bro.
be having,
up.
stop playing on me,
No,
though.
like
Ooh,
real
no,
talk.
you don't play with me.
Y'all be having fun.
Cause it's just a prank. Don't play.
No, y'all gay.
There's a, hey, no.
No,
Real
y'all
talk.
gay.
Say, son, this
No,
don't feel
y'all-
right.
Prank.
No, y'all play that
Hey,
role
man,
too
look.
What you
well,
mean we
so
play
y'all
this
gay.
role
Let
too
me
rough?
take this off, man.
Man, take that out, cause she think we dive in mud,
Hey,
dog.
look, where
Y'all
my
mud
clothes
guys.
at? Oh,
Really?
You play
Real
that
talk.
role too
Jaleel,
well.
man, ain't
Too
nobody-
well.
Who play what role too well?
You, dog, y'all gay.
No, we not, man. Stop saying
I
that.
got him with my robe on,
good, man.
dog.
This Versace, huh?
Yeah, that's
what
Versace.
up?
Say
Keeping
Versace,
this,
but I'm a
Jack.
melodic. Wait, what?
Ooh.
What'd you say?
I said Jack.
Yeah, you Jack.
Y'all-
But man, now you gonna take the robe off now, bro? Cause
Let
you
me
look
put my
like
pants on,
you look
man.
like you look like a little girl, bro.
Ooh, man, look, I'm finna take this off.
What you trying to see?
Why y'all had the money in the bed?
Well, I don't know. I don't know where that money came from. That's your money. What you been
Oh,
doing?
y'all,
Like real talk. What you been doing? What? That's your money.
they ain't my money.
That's your money. What JD them at?
JD.
JD, look at him.
This is a prank.
Say, bro, it's just a prank, dog.
They gay for real.
It's just a
dog.
prank. No, we not, bro.
Real, man.
man.
No, we not, dog. We was just chilling,
I
bro.
thought you was my homeboy, man.
You is my homeboy.
You told me you was
straighter
gay,
than
man.
a line.
He's straighter than a line. Man,
You know,
jigger,
I'm feeling for the
jigger,
man.
jigger. Oh, yeah, now you the same thing because I made you do the jigger.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
But y'all still gay, man.
No, we not, bro.
It's a prank, man. Y'all acting like this
Man,
something
this man all
serious.
this whole time, man, he ain't told me nothing, man.
Who ain't told you nothing?
Man, you, man.
What you mean?
Man, I walked in here, man, y'all in the bed together.
What
man.
I'm supposed to tell you?
Man, you supposed
Get
to-
in?
Oh, hell no, man.
He said I ain't tell
I
him.
don't go that way,
I
man.
mean, I don't go that way either, bro.
Yeah.
I'm just saying it was just
Hell no.
it was just a prank, JD, bro.
Yeah.
Now,
Ain't no prank to me.
right, what you mean? Cause you want to do it for
Oh,
real?
hell no. You
That's something you trying to do for real?
Man, I knew it.
Babe, come on now. Come on now. You know the real, bro. You know the real. That is just a prank, okay? You gonna give me a hug and a kiss? Hold this. Come on, babe. Give me a kiss. What's wrong with you?
Aw, they so
Come on,
sweet.
baby. You know it was
Come on,
just a
dog.
prank.
Now you know it was just a prank, y'all.
Holding your boxes in
It's just a prank, y'all.
No, man. Stop playing. Hey, I'm finna bet you, bro. Playing
Whoa.
with me before I show one, man.
Hey, you showed her though. You had to show
I
her.
showed her. Look
Yeah.
at ass gang, man. We back with the prank war. I'm telling you, bro.
Say,
Ain't
Jaleel.
nobody safe like 4K Tracy.
Okay, you already know.
Ain't nobody safe. Prank wars has started, man. Y'all gotta get this video to 50K likes, cause prank wars has started, bro.
Yes, sir.
We got
You
Runic
already
in the
know what
cut,
it is,
bro.
man. We finna turn it up a notch, man.
Yes,
It don't
indeed. We
stop
got
till
JD
we
in the
drop.
cut. Jigga, 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 jigga. Hey, bust it. Ooh, touch it. Wop, wop. Ooh, we dip it. Why he bet you?
Oh, man, I was hitting my jig, man. This man hit me in my head, man. But I'm still jigging.
So what you call that?
Jig, man.
What you call that?
Jig.
Jig, bust it, jig.
Yeah.
But look, man. That's it, you guys, man. This prank was lit, man. If you want more pranks, man, give me that like button. What you say? Prank wars, bro. Prank wars has started. I need everybody to hit that like button and subscribe on Gang. Trump dummy, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang. On that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.